My name is Henry, and today I am going to show you my vertical launch track. I'm gonna call it the Rise of the Carnivores track, just because I made it that way. So let's get started. Before we start the track, I'm going to explain everything. And by explain everything, not everything in the house, but the track. First of all, we have the launcher, which is gonna launch the car. It is escaping the T-Rex and the Carnivores. Yikes. And all the way up to the pterosaurs, loops around the pterosaurs. Do this thing. Past the Indominus Rex. Now this part I really like because then you can use a lot of dinosaurs to like make it really cool. So it goes under blue, which is a raptor. Another raptor right here. Not see that. Okay. Okay, you can see it. And then it goes around the T-Rex, past the raptor tail, over by the Tapahara. Oh, quick fact. A Tapahara is just a type of pterosaur with a weird head. Okay, so it goes around through here, back to here, goes here to T-Rex. This is a double loop, so. And then past the raptor, down past the Spinosaurus' legs, and then by the Metracanthosaurus, into the jaws of the volcano. Trying to get to the hole, bumps out of it. Maybe it gets in. I mean, I tried that once and it got in, so. And then the T-Rex eats it. Wrong way, buddy. So, right now I'm gonna do it. Okay, 3, 2, 1. This might not work. Go. Didn't work. Go. Way too powerful. Go. Those were some very cool stunts. I can't believe it actually worked. That's why I said yes. Didn't you hear that? Okay, never mind. Well, the only thing that I can say right now is thanks for watching another video of Epic Adventures of Henry, and I'll see you in the next video. I know you're gonna be on YouTube. It's so exciting. Okay, you're not excited. Okay. Bye!